Hello everyone! Today we're gonna keep having fun with shapes. And we're gonna go on making another kind of fruit. Let's guess, it's very big. It's green and it's got some black seeds inside and it's red inside. Yes, you're right, it's a watermelon. Let's get started. This is the watermelon we're gonna make. These will be the parts that we'll be using. Here, a big green semicircle, a small red semicircle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 small black circles. Let's get started. Big semicircle, red semicircle on top. What's this? This is the seed. So we're gonna put the seed inside this part. Yummy, juicy watermelon. Ta-da! This is our watermelon. Watermelon, watermelon. This is a very small watermelon. You know, a real watermelon is very big, and you can make very yummy watermelon juice with it. That's so cool. Watermelon. Bye!